You know, I grew up in Fulton County, but no lawyers in my family. I had a neighbor who was a lawyer, and I'd go to his office with him, and I was intrigued, which led me to law school. As a lawyer, I've constantly been in the courtroom. There's just something about the dynamic in the courtroom that I love. And I was always in front of a judge, but I never thought that I would be a judge. But I guess after several years, people would ask me, "What about you?" And I said, no, I don't think I'll ever be a judge. And they said, but think about it. You know, who's a judge who you would emulate? Who's a judge who maybe drives you a little nuts? And when I thought about it like that, I thought, maybe I can do it. So the opportunity arose about 5 years ago. I'm on the Fulton County Magistrate Court bench, and I love it. It's a great opportunity, great way to serve the community. The best part of my job, it's really about the people and the process, because it's really hard when people come to court. You don't know what brings them on a particular case, but anything that I can do to make the court process better, where they don't feel victimized by the process in court, is very rewarding. If there's one specific thing, though, it's got to be weddings. It's just really a happy, joyous event, and so, of course, weddings. Leadership in the council, gosh, first, it's just such an honor, and I just want to thank everybody who's made that possible. So, I am the president-elect of the Council of Magistrate Court Judges. So it really starts with listening, collaborating, and hopefully giving my 2 cents as well. Anything that can make me a better judge, make all judges across the state, across all classes of court, better judges, then that's really the goal. It's all about the community trusting us that we're doing what we're supposed to do. What am I reading right now? I'm mostly not reading. I'm mostly listening to podcasts. And I'd say on the legal side, the Good Judgment podcast is a favorite. Also, pretty much anything related to the Atlanta Braves, I'm listening to. But my family went to the beach a few months ago, and I promised to myself that I would read a book from cover to cover, which I did somehow. I tend to like nonfiction. This was an autobiography. It was light, but it was really fun. It was a book written by Dave Grohl, who was the drummer for Nirvana. He started Foo Fighters, and it was just a really fun read, and I did it. I finished the book.